So you know that you need to be getting organ meats into your diet on a regular basis, but you're running out of ideas on just how to do that. So keep watching, and I'm going to show you possibly the easiest way to include organ meats in your meals. So today I'm making a stew. This one's going to be a lamb stew. I have some lamb shanks, and then keep watching because I'm going to show you how I incorporate the organ meats into this in a really easy way. To make this lamb stew, I'm using my crock pot. As many of you know, I love my cast iron Dutch oven, and I like to use that a lot. We've been having some really hot weather though, so I don't really love having the oven on all day. So I'm going to my crock pot today. It just seems like a better option. So I have my crock pot. I'm adding my lamb pieces. I'm using lamb shanks and putting those into the crock pot. Then I'm adding some onions chopped, some garlic cloves chopped roughly. Some carrots, peeled and coarsely chopped. Filtered water to cover everything. Mineral salt, I'm using Baja Gold, some ground black pepper, some bay leaves, and then my favorite spices to add with lamb are always rosemary and thyme, so I'm adding some of those. And then I have my crock pot on high, and I'm going to just let that slow cook for at least 6 hours or so, around 5 to 6 hours. So were you watching closely? Did you see how I incorporated the organ meats into this? I love stews and slow cooked meals like this where you throw everything together in the beginning of the day, and then by the time dinner time rolls around, you don't really have to do anything. Dinner is just ready. So were you watching? Did you see how I got those organ meats in there? If you're looking closely, then you could see that I put in a lamb heart and 2 lamb kidney into this stew. So I just added them in there along with the shanks. They slow cook with those spices. It turns out so good, and it could not be easier. So that's it. That is my tip for incorporating organ meats. Just literally put them in whatever you're having. Soups and stews and slow cooked meals that go all day and just kind of are put together work so well for this, but you can absolutely fit them in other ways too. You can chop them up and add them to ground meat. You can just saute them in some fat with some onions and garlic and salt and pepper and enjoy them along with the other cuts of meat. It just depends on how you're cooking. The main part of the meal, just fit the organ meats right in with that. So here's my example for today. Just throw it into the stew and it's going to be really good. I promise you, when I serve this, my kids are going to be fighting over who gets to eat the heart and the kidneys when we serve it. Thanks so much for coming along and watching me put together dinner today. I hope that you enjoyed that tip about including organ meats in the easiest way possible. Check out that description box for different things that I've made for you guys. I have free ebooks down there. I have meal plans, links to our favorite things that we like to use. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with anybody else who you think would find it interesting or helpful. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.